Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai limited companies and the specific question of how does one go about setting up a Thai limited company? Well, that's going to depend on the circumstances of the given case, but generally speaking, you got to go ahead and deal with getting the shareholders in line, dealing with the relevant meetings associated with the promulgation of the company. Then after the shareholders are decided, you got to go ahead and deal with getting the directors decided upon, filing all the relevant paperwork with respect to the Department of Business Development. There are also going to be aspects associated with choosing a corporate name, making sure that name is not substantially similar or exactly like another corporate name that's already in the database. And then after registration, you have to go ahead and the tax number is going to go ahead and be issued and some things of this nature. Documentation pertaining to the corporation will be issued, a corporate certificate, basically an articles of association type document, documentation pertaining to who has signing authority with respect to the directors of the company will come about as a result of promulgating a new Thai company here in the kingdom. And generally speaking, the formalities associated with Thai incorporation here in the kingdom are substantial when compared to, for example, in the United States. Certain states allow one to go online, simply form a limited company in a matter of minutes by simply going on. It's almost like an online questionnaire to fill out the documents associated with becoming for example, a limited liability company or an LLC. Thailand is much more complex compared to the United States with respect to issues associated with incorporation. So trying to sort of graft a paradigm that one would use when looking at US companies or Canadian companies or companies in England or Australia, it's not really a good idea. Thailand, they're kind of similar to C Corps, corporations, incorporated entities in the United States, but even then, not all the similarities add up exactly. In certain ways, they're kind of almost old school when we look at them from the perspective of the types of entities that are now allowed, for example, in the US. The Thai corporate structures are much more formal. The documentation associated with them is much more extensive. And corporate maintenance is also an issue, especially with respect to things like work permits, corporate compliance, etc. So the thing to take away from this video is it's possible to set up a Thai limited company. Generally speaking, it can be done in a relatively short period of time, but the process is markedly different when comparing it to a process in a Western country or an English-speaking country, as the systems there really aren't full parallels between the two corporate systems in those type of jurisdictions in Thailand. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.